Morning students, we are going to discuss the manipulator functions in this class. So what is a manipulator? The manipulator functions are a special stream oriented function that changes certain characteristics of input output. The main advantage of using manipulator function is that they facilitate the formatting of input and output streams. Okay, first manipulator is a Yandel manipulator. So this manipulator is used to give a new line. Okay, for example, cout, a variable, then endl. Therefore, it gives a new line. The equivalent in C is a /n. Okay. Now, before that, if we want to use the manipulator functions in C++, we have to include the header file IO manip. Okay. Now, cout. Here, one message. When we execute this one, so a welcome message is displayed. Now I am using the manipulator here. Then execute it. So a new line here displayed. Okay. Suppose that I am not using the manipulator. So while executing this program, so welcome to C++. Okay. Now I am using the manipulator here. Therefore, welcome in the next line to C++. Okay. So this is the use of the Yandel manipulator. Then next manipulator is here. Set W. So the set W manipulator is used to specify the minimum number of character position on the output field a variable will be consumed. Okay. Suppose that if we give set W 10, then the width of the variable is a 10. Suppose if you give a equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay. Therefore, it takes the value 1, 2, 3 whose width is a 10. Okay. Let me see the one example. here I am using set W in between A and B, whose the width of the B is 8. You see that? So there is no endl specified here. When you execute it, so 12, and then how many spaces in between these two means totally 1, 2, 3. The way its length is 3, then width is 8. Therefore, 5 spaces are between 12 and 245. Okay, suppose that if I am giving set W over here, you see that here 2 spaces are there because I am defining the width is 4, the digit is 12. Therefore, remaining 2 space is here, and 8, the width is 8, the digit is 245. Therefore, 5 spaces between here. Okay. Now let me see another one manipulator. Set fill. So this manipulator, that is the set fill manipulator, is used to specify a character to fill the unused field width of the value. Okay, here only spaces are printed. Suppose that if you want to print some character here, we use this set fill function. The set fill function general syntax is set fill character f. Okay. So what character we want to fill here? Now let me see one example. Right, I am using asterisk symbol. Now we execute this program. You see that. Now you can easily understand how many characters are there. Therefore, here 4. So the length is here 2. Therefore, remaining 2 characters are filled with asterisk. Okay. So like that here, length is here 3. Then width is here 8. Therefore, remaining 5 characters are filled with a star. Like that we can change whatever we need. Suppose if we use dollar sign, okay. Now you can understand this one, right? Then next manipulator is here set base. So this manipulator is used to change the base of the value. So decimal, hexadecimal, and octal. Okay. Right. Let us see one example. Here, I am converting the value of A into octal base and the value of B into hexadecimal base. Let's see that. The 12 whose octal value is a 14 and 245 whose hexadecimal value is a F5. Okay. Therefore, the set base function is used to display the octal and hexadecimal value. Then next manipulator is a set precision. The set precision is used to control the number of digits of an output stream display of a floating point value. Okay. How many accuracy we require? That is the decimal digit. Its general syntax is P. Okay, where P is the number of precisions. Okay. So here given one precision. Here 2 precision. Okay. Okay, let me take the value of A is 5 and B is 3. Then float C. Right? Now execute this program. So COD float here. So this is displayed in the exponent form, right? So 5 by 3, 4.6, then 5, 9, like that. The next, suppose that if you give okay, so this is the use of the set precision. Like that, there are other. manipulators are available in C++. Endas, then flush, etc. Let me see the other manipulators in the later class.